Hi, I'm Mr. McClung, and I'm here with Mr. Padilla, and I'm here to teach Mr. Padilla how to make the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. As you can tell, I am a peanut butter and jelly sandwich expert. I've made so many, you would not believe the number. It's like in the millions, okay? And so I've made so many peanut butter and jelly sandwiches that I can make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich even with Teddy Graham crackers, even with those, okay? So we've got all of our essentials here, all right? We've got the Teddy Graham crackers, we've got the red raspberry preserves, and the creamy peanut butter. Now, if you happen to be a psychopath, you may have gotten the crunchy peanut butter. So that's your fault, that's weird, okay? So don't do that. You also have a smooth side and a bumpy side to the graham cracker. You want to get the smooth side if you're not weird. Okay, so let's begin. So as always, you begin with the jelly. Why do you begin with the jelly, Mr. Padilla?
You're the expert.
All right, so you begin with the jelly. That was a test and he failed. You begin with the jelly. Okay, you take just enough to plop it on there. Now that's a bit too much. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it off, leaving the rest still on there. Okay, again, I'm an expert. Okay, and then you leave it on, all right, just enough, because you don't want to make too much, okay, because that's crazy, all right? You put it on it. Now, the reason you start with the jelly is because then you can wipe off the excess on the other piece, okay? So that way, when you dip it into the peanut butter, you don't get jelly in the peanut butter. Creamy peanut butter. See that? Look at the textures of the peanut butter. It's just so smooth and rich and delicious, as is most other good foods. So you put on the peanut butter. You put on the peanut butter. Try not to get your finger stuck in it like I just did, okay? And then you keep the knife, okay, off to the side because that's important for later. And then you take the part with the jelly, you flip it over, put it on. Now you smush it down a little bit, but not so much that it comes out the sides, okay? That's just too much, okay? Now, in this small amount of peanut butter and jelly sandwich, it's easy to not do that because you can just pop it in. Super simple, okay? So, Mr. Padilla, you know what the next step is? The last step. It is to eat it, okay? You get to enjoy what you just made. You also have this knife with the peanut butter on it that you could, indeed, just simply lick, okay? But I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm gonna let Mr. Padilla make his own sandwich. I would like you to explain it the way that I did as you go.
Gotcha. Start with the peanut butter, because only crazy people start with jelly. Don't use the knife, because knives are for simpletons. Peanut butter. Eat part of the bread. There we go. Raspberry. Dip. All right, here we go. Boom. Mine gushed a little bit.
It's okay.
It's fine.
It's okay.
It's fine.
It happens to everybody.
And then use the knife as a delivering vehicle for your mouth. Am I gonna eat this? Okay, cool. I'm eating this.
That's not
good.
It's done.
I don't like raspberry, but besides that, very good.
What about you, McClung?
There you go. Mine was better than his. I just know it because mine's delicious. This has been another episode of Cooking with McClung.
That's all for today, Canes. Have a great day, and thank you for watching Eye of the Storm. Be sure to follow us on social media at BMCHS Report or visit our website at stormreport.bmchs.com.